Daddy,
and
Kittens!
oh, it's moving. It looks like a strange kangaroo. It looks like strange kangaroo, huh? Wake up!
Wake up!
Oops, it isn't kangaroo.
Swan.
The most common color of the swans is white.
Peacock.
This is the bird from Africa. We have lizards and spiders.
Snake.
So long the snake, wow. Snakes change their skin when they grow up. This is the skin of the snake. It opens its mouth.
It's hungry.
Oh yeah, he doesn't know where is the carrot. Where is the carrot? Where is the carrot? Give it to him.
Prairie dog.
Hello there. Do you want to be my friend? No? Come on here. It makes pee now.
Capybara.
Here, guys.
Parrot.
Slowly, okay? It will bite you.
Don't be afraid.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Meerkat.
Yeah, pig. Oh, yeah.
Toucan.
wow.
Mr. Kangaroo, what do you eat? Okay.
Raccoon. Guinea pig.
I think animals are very, very like you. Baby, run away! Ah, good job. Oh, yes. Wow. Oh, you feed rabbits this time.
Adder.
Yeah, you got it, you got it. Yeah. Release. Here are small eggs in the nest. Later, from eggs, hatch the chicks. They are licking your fingers. Licking fingers, huh? Yucky. And that's it. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.
Sponsored by IQ English.